Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a rainy day, so we're playing inside today. Today we're showing you the driven monster truck. We got this guy at Target. You'd say not too bad. Let's see how it does with the course. It's two-wheel drive. Doesn't have the power to pretty much do crap. Do I think it looks pretty cool? Yes. Do I like the sound effects of it? Yes, let's do the sound effect. Like the lights. So yeah, I mean, you want any kind of performance out of it whatsoever, you're pretty much not going to get it. It's just pretty much going to be a flat surface driveway rig or inside the house. Yep, until next time guys, keep on seeing. There's a new sheriff There's a new sheriff in town. That would be me. I am God of all the Aussie gods. If you need a prayer, just pray and I will answer it if I can. Till next time, guys.
Keep on seeing.